If you've been wanting to shoot some really cool nighttime shots and give it a little bit of a twinkle, I've got something that I know already, even before I actually kind of test it out, I know this is going to work and it's going to look really cool because I've got myself a little set of star filter kits. And if you've never heard of star filter kits before or never used one at all, watch this and I'll show you how fun it is. So this has been sent over to us from K&F, get my words out correctly. So it's a 3 set. It's a star 4, star 6, star 8 filter kit. So this is a 77mm thread, and I'm just going to use my step-up ring. So effectively I can use this on any type of lens, even if the thread size is smaller. I went for the larger one, and then I'll just use my step-up rings to adapt for that. But I must say, as a kind of piece of kit, it's been something that I've been wanting to try for a while. I've used it on phones before, and sometimes you can get little apps that kind of create those effects as well. But ultimately, I just wanted to give it a go on my, let's say, proper camera. Oh, bonus. Always good to get a bonus gift. Microfiber cleaning cloths are in there, which are always very appreciated, because fingers on lenses and on filters, it's never a good thing. You get fingerprints on it, you get smudges, it's just going to blur parts of your image. So very nice. I actually got sent 3 of them as well. This is quite good. Thank you very much to K&F for sending a few of those over as well. But this is the actual set itself. And again, presentation, lovely. Nice little back pouch there as well. So if you want to keep one of your cloths in there, quite handy. Nice little Velcro. Do like the sound. Bit of ASMR on the filters. And then, yeah, this is our kit. So we've got 3 different filtration levels. We've got a 4, 6 and an 8. So we're going to try them all and effectively just kind of see how they all work. But very simple types of filters that you obviously just kind of screw on. If you've got a magnetic set, a magnetic filter clip from K&F, and it's obviously the right size, then you can kind of use all that together. It works quite well. But we'll give it a little go. We'll see how it works. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I've managed to actually get myself a little bit of time outdoors, wait for the evening to be able to come and shoot with these star filters. So I've just put on the star filter 4, so I'm going to show you all 3 of them so you can actually see the different levels of strength that it has, because I imagine a 4, a 6 and an 8, they all differ in terms of the strength of the shot. And here I am, I'm going to keep the shot very similar in respects to the actual settings. I'm just going to take this first shot, so this is using a 4. So it's working quite nicely. There is a little bit of kind of reflections coming off from the side here, but let's change it up to the 6 and we'll see how much stronger that is. So here now we're getting the strength of the 8 star filter. So you can see obviously now we've got the 8 lines that are coming out from our source, and as we move the camera around a little bit, you'll see these little points of refraction coming back onto the screen. So you just have to be a little bit kind of cautious, but kind of careful as to what you point it at. But obviously with using live view, the beauty of it is that you'll see all these imperfections, whether you call them imperfections or not, occurring on the screen. But let's lock that off and we'll take another shot so we've got another one for comparison. So I think overall there's actually quite a nice effect going on here, whether you're using it obviously for the purposes of stills or video, depending upon how much of the star burst effect that you want. Obviously you can choose from a 4, 6 and an 8, but in terms of the effect, works really well. If you are really just kind of shooting for one light, a lot of the time you'll kind of not have that much in the way of an issue. I think it's quite nice, very simple and very easy to use.